Hello and welcome guys. Hope we are doing great. So in this video today we will be discussing around the project directory structure. So let's begin with that. So let's suppose you have a project in HTML CSS. Let's make it a directory project. Then you have some HTML files. Then you have a CSS. That means a style file. Then you have a JavaScript JS file, and you have some images. So how you can manage this? Okay, so let me open this one in a project. Yeah, so here in the new window I'm opening that project. So open. So here I can see I have opened my project. Now for the index HTML file you can create the file like HTML index. Let's suppose you have about us. You see, it is good practice you don't use hyphen, you should use underscore. If you have PHP file, if you have HTML, you can make it HTML. And let's suppose you want also use uh, CSS file, so you don't have to create here parallel to this. You can also see here. Okay, you need to create a CSS directory. Either you can create a CSS styles, you can say. Now you see I have created a styles. So here I will keep the file like CSS. Okay, so let me add here style.css. So you can follow the structure like this to keep the style sheet file and your HTML file. Now let's suppose you have uh, some JavaScript file. Then you can create here JS directory. Okay, either you can create a JS or a JavaScript. So this way you can. Oh, I make a mistake here. My spelling one. SCRI script. JavaScript. Yeah, you can also make it JS, or you can also make it this as CSS. So let's make it JS, a short form one. So all the JS file will go here. Okay, so let's suppose main.js will, all the JavaScript related functions and the validation will come here inside this file. Inside CSS you can write your own style. And let's suppose your project also keeps some images, so for that you can create a directory. It's called images. Either you can create images, and if you have a different type of asset, then further you can create a asset. Okay, let me come to that. Let's create a folder, directory assets. So under asset you can create a nested directory like images. Then again you can create. Okay, so here you can see. So under assets you have images. You can delete this one as you have multiple type of it. You can also create from here as well, uh, images, then the videos file. Okay, you can keep all your video here, the mp3 files. Okay, mp3s here, and you can also create a separate directory for the doc. Okay, so documents like PDF file, MS Word file, and the Excel file you can keep here. So this is a standard directory structure you should follow in your project. In case you have any additional thing, everything will go inside this. Okay, This is for a normal one. If you have an object oriented programming, and if you are following the OOPS approach, then uh, you should also take care here the MVC structure, and according to that you can create a separate directory for that, or like model, and separate for view, and separate for controllers. So hope you have some idea and how to use this directory structure in a project, so that your code will remain clean and clear, so that if you if you show this to any of your colleague or friends or senior, they feel, yeah, you are doing good and everything in a structure way. So thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.